Good morning, students. This is Rahul Sharma, your German teacher. Yes, 7th class. Today, your topic is lesson Lektion 1. Was ist du in der Pause? What do you eat in your break? In last lecture, we have done the articles of the foods items. Like this page number 9. I hope you have done your work. Yes, you have to learn learn the article of this. See, today we will do what. How can we ask someone to what would you like to have in your break? What are you eating in your break? What do you want to eat in your break? How can we ask this in German? Yes. Was möchtest du in der Pause essen? Yes. See. Was möchtest du in der Pause essen? Was is what? In second position, there is verb möchtest. Möchtest is would like to have. Möchtest is would like to have. This we have done in 6th class also. Was möchtest du you in your break to eat? There are two verbs present in this sentence. Möchtest and essen. Two verbs are there. One verb will come on second position and other one will be on last. Which verb comes in second position, which verb will come on last? This is the modal verbs. Modal verb will come in second position. Möchtest is modal verb, so it will come in second position. So what möchtest do in the Pause essen? With do we have to do verb conjugation of this, and last verb will remain same. Last verb will remain same. Do the verb conjugation of möchtest only. Got it? So this is the question, and how can we reply this? Ich esse einen, take any item from this. Ich esse einen Kuchen. I'll eat a cake. Or you can write Ich esse eine banana. We had discussed in last lecture that where do we used to have ein and where do we used to have eine. That all depend on the article of the item. Article of Kuchen is there, and in accusative they are changed into then, and it will be einen. And banane, die, so it will be eine. We have done this in last lecture. So ich, suppose if you want to ask what would you like to drink in your break, so the question will be was möchtest du in der Pause, in the place of essen, right? Trinken. So this will be what do you like to drink in your break. See, I have written full verb here, trinken. There is no verb conjugation of trinken here because we have to do only one verb conjugation, that is the verb which is on second position, that is möchtest. So your reply will be Ich. In the place of esse, it will be trinke. Verb conjugation of trinken with ich will be trinke. Ich trinke eine cola. Cola is soft drink, cold drink. Got it? Ich trinke eine cola. Article of cola is die. That's why we have written here eine. Yes, take one more. Ich trinke Eine Lemonade. Lemonade is lemonade. I drink lemonade. Or you can write I drink juice in my break. So it will be ich trinke einen Saft. Saft is juice. An article of Saft is there. So it will be einen. Suppose if I have to write here apple juice. So how can we write this? Apple juice. Juice is Saft. And apple juice will be Apfel Saft. Apfel Saft. Apfelsaft. Apfel Saft. Banana juice. So it will be banana Saft. Got it? Yes. This is the way to ask what do you want to have. Simple. If I want to write no break, if I want to write what do you want to have now, so just write simply was möchtest du, was möchtest du, was möchtest du, what do you want to have. Got it? Yes. And now we will do verb conjugation of nehmen. Nehmen is to take. In last lecture we had done verb conjugation of essen. Essen is to eat, nehmen is to take. So, ich nehme, du names, oh sorry, it will be names, du names. Yes. Now, er, as, sie will be named. Ihr named, ihr named, wir, sie nehmen. You have to write this in your fair notebook also. Yes, and you have to learn this also. Your homework is write and learn the verb conjugation and again the articles of these items, and please send me a fair notebook on my WhatsApp number if you have done your work. Okay, that's for today.